Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best Canon cameras in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in 5th place we have the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. Our pick for the best budget Canon camera. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 has a 20 megapixel CCD sensor and a Digic 4 image processor for breathtaking photos with vibrant clarity and detail. It also has 8 times optical zoom capability with optical image stabilization. This makes it easy to take clear photos without any distortion. You can record 720p video with this camera with just the push of a button. The playback isn't the best quality, but it's adequate for casual users. This camera's digital IS reduces the effect of camera shake and subject movement for better quality photos. You will definitely be glad for this feature when you're taking action shots. There are numerous scene modes to choose from as well, allowing you to bring out your creative side. The Smart Auto feature selects the best possible settings based on predefined shooting situations, making it easier to take high-quality photos. There is also Auto Zoom, which automatically closes in on subjects to keep them in focus. When you need to conserve battery, you can switch to Eco mode. This allows you to get more use out of the camera before recharging is necessary. Some of the features of this camera include Auto Zoom. This camera allows you to automatically zoom in on whatever you're taking a picture of, to keep it in focus for a clear shot every time. Optical image stabilization. The image stabilization technology that this camera uses guarantees clear shots without any blur or distortion. Scene modes. You will have a number of scene modes to choose from, including toy camera effect, fisheye effect, monochrome, and others. Some of the pros of this camera include high-resolution sensor. This camera's high-resolution sensor gives you clear and detailed photos on a consistent basis. Face detection. You will have an easy time taking good quality pictures of others due to the face detection feature. Lightweight. The 126-gram weight of this camera makes it very light and easy to travel with. One con of this camera is that you only get to take 220 shots with this camera before the battery runs out, which isn't very good. Coming in at around $120, this Canon PowerShot digital camera is a great option if you're on a budget. It's designed to take clear photos with little to no distortion. It's a good choice for shooting landscapes, group photos, action shots, and more. This is definitely one of the most versatile cameras on the market for the money. Coming in 4th place, we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL2. The Canon EOS Rebel SL2 boasts an impressive 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor that enables you to take detailed, professional-looking photos. The dual-pixel autofocus features face detection for quick and accurate performance. You will also have a 3-inch LCD vari-angle touchscreen, which has a very responsive design. It lets you see everything the camera does with complete clarity for easy shooting. You will never have any issues with finding the best viewing angle, whether you're previewing photos or taking new ones. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology gives you the ability to transfer photos and videos to your smartphone in just seconds. This camera allows you to record full HD 1080p video at 60 FPS for flawless playback. There is an input for an external microphone, allowing you to capture crisp, clear audio. The optical viewfinder can be used with this camera's 9-point autofocus system for taking sharp shots in an instant. It's very easy to snap off quick pictures without losing any image quality whatsoever. You can use this camera for up to 650 shots before you need to recharge the battery, which isn't bad at all. Some of the features of this camera include vari-angle touch display. This camera's vari-angle LCD screen can be tilted and adjusted to achieve the perfect viewing angle for all of your shots. External mic input. The external microphone input will let you get the best possible quality audio for your videos. Bluetooth. You can establish a wireless connection with your smartphone via Bluetooth for transferring photos and video files quickly. Some of the pros of this camera include great touch interface. The LCD screen's touch interface is highly responsive and makes focusing in on your subjects much easier. Impressive image quality. The large 24 megapixel image sensor lets you take amazing quality photos. Easy to use. There is nothing complicated about this camera whatsoever, making it ideal for photography novices. One con of this camera is that the lack of 4K video recording is a little bit disappointing, but shouldn't be a deal breaker. Coming in at around $600, this camera measures 2.7 by 4.8 by 3.6 inches with a total weight of 1 pound. It's surprisingly light and compact, allowing you to take it with you on the go without any hassle. The autofocus this camera uses is shockingly accurate and fast, especially for the price. You will also be sure to love the touchscreen monitor, which makes taking pictures easier and more enjoyable. Coming in 3rd place, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, our pick for the best point-and-shoot Canon camera. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II features a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor that allows you to capture photos and videos with impressive quality across a wide dynamic range. You will have TTL autofocus and manual focus options to lock in on your subjects with a high degree of speed and accuracy. This camera's 3-inch LCD monitor can be tilted up to 180 degrees and down 45 degrees for the best self-portrait shots. There's also built-in Wi-Fi for quick and convenient sharing of your photos and videos with others. It takes only a matter of seconds to establish a wireless connection between the camera and your smartphone. You can shoot continuously with this camera at 8 frames per second, so there are no wasted images. This can be particularly useful when you're shooting sporting events and other types of action scenes. The 31-point autofocus that this camera offers will give you an ideal means of focusing on your subjects. It helps you take clear and detailed photos with stunning clarity every single time. You can take around 265 photos before having to recharge the battery. While it's not the best battery life of any camera, it certainly isn't the worst. Some of the features of this camera include Wi-Fi. This camera's built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer photos and videos to your smart device for sharing on social media on the fly. Continuous shooting. You can shoot continuously with this camera at up to 8 frames per second. This makes it easier to capture every frame of the action. In-camera conversion. You'll be able to adjust numerous aspects of the pictures you take in-camera before transferring them to your smartphone or computer. Some of the pros of this camera include lots of manual control options. There are numerous manual control options for focusing and other things to achieve the perfect photos. Optical image stabilization. This camera's optical image stabilization allows you to take clear and detailed photos of moving objects. Tilting touch display. The touch LCD display that this camera uses can be tilted around to achieve the perfect viewing angle no matter what. One con of this camera is that the complete absence of a viewfinder is a little bit surprising. Coming in at around $650, this camera measures 1.6 by 2.4 by 4.2 inches with a total weight of 1.4 pounds. It has a nice compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to travel with. Coming in second place, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i sports an impressive 24.2 megapixel sensor for better accuracy and overall image quality. The Digix 7 chip that it uses can handle 14 times more information than the previous Digix 6 processor. This means better high ISO noise and autofocus performance. You will get the same 3-inch vari-angle touch display as with the previous model, but there has been a minor increase in resolution. It offers a clear and sharp look at your subject, so you see everything the camera does. This camera supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, giving you an easy and convenient way to connect with your smartphone or tablet. You can share the photos and videos that you take on the fly for added convenience. The Full HD 1080p video recording capabilities of this camera allow you to record high-quality video that is sharp and clear. While there's no external microphone input, the built-in mic isn't bad at all. We really like the durable aluminum alloy and polycarbonate construction of this camera. It is very durable and will last a long time through regular daily use. The matte plastic exterior finish gives it a smooth feel and stylish overall appearance. Some of the features of this camera include Feature Assistant. This camera's Feature Assistant explains how to use the various functions to help you get started. Wireless connectivity. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that this camera offers makes it easy to transfer photos to your smartphone. Vari-angle display. You can adjust the vari-angle display for taking great-looking pictures in any situation. Some of the pros of this camera include excellent low-light performance. The ISO range of 100 to 25,600 means that this camera performs exceptionally well even in low-light conditions. Variety of lenses. You can use this camera with a variety of lenses, including wide-angle, telephoto, macro, and prime lenses. Live view autofocus. The live view autofocus performance is exceptional, allowing you to lock in on your subjects with ease. One con of this camera is that the optical viewfinder only gives you 95% coverage, which is a little disappointing. Coming in at around $800, this camera measures 3 by 5.2 by 3.9 inches with a weight of just 1.18 pounds. It's nice and compact, so you can take it with you wherever you go without any problems. The lithium-ion batteries it uses lasts for hundreds of shots. This means that you won't have to deal with constantly recharging the camera. Coming in first place, we have the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, our pick for the best overall Canon camera. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV delivers a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that allows you to take the best possible photos in any shooting environment. You can shoot continuously at up to 7 frames per second. The 61-point autofocus system features 41 cross points for extended vertical coverage. There is a native ISO range of 100 to 32,000, which can be expanded up to 1,024,000. This allows you to take amazing quality photos even in low-light situations. You can also record stunning 4K video at 30 FPS or 24 FPS for capturing every moment with amazing clarity and detail. You'll be able to take 8 megapixel images as well. There are external microphones and headphone ports that make it easier to get the best audio for each of your videos. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen on the rear of this camera is fixed but has a very responsive design, offering a sharp picture for previewing and taking photos and video. Canon's DPP software allows you to make adjustments to dual-pixel RAW photo files that you take to achieve the perfect aesthetic. The dual SD and compact flash card slot gives you all the storage that you need for your photos and videos. You will never have to worry about running out of space no matter how much you use this camera. Some of the features of this camera include still frame photos. You can take 8.8 megapixel still shots while recording video that looks simply amazing. Continuous shooting. This camera lets you shoot continuously at 7 frames per second, so you can capture all of the in-frame action. Photo adjustment. The DPP software from Canon lets you make numerous adjustments to your photos so you can achieve the perfect look for each one. Some of the pros of this camera include advanced autofocus system. The advanced autofocus system that this camera uses gives you an easy way to lock onto your subject quickly for clear and sharp photos. Responsive touch display. This camera's touch display is very responsive and gives you a clear picture. Amazing image quality. The 30 megapixel image sensor delivers incredible image quality with a stunning level of detail. One con of this camera is that while the ISO range is pretty good, it hasn't increased at all from the previous model. Coming in at around $3,000, this camera is fairly expensive, but well worth the money. It measures 3 by 5.9 by 4.6 inches with a total weight of 1.76 pounds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.